Hello guys and welcome on this new video on this channel, and we will be continue in NumPy library. Today we will use some code and we will see some basics of NumPy library. So let's go. Okay, so like I said in the video before, the NumPy library is widely used in science computing. The library contains multidimensional arrays as data structures like n-dimensional arrays and a large library of functions that operate very effectively on these data structures. At first, you need to install NumPy in your project. So we will write pip install NumPy and enter, but I have already installed it. But if you don't, just install it. Then after you have installed NumPy in your project, we need to import it. Import NumPy as np. You can write whatever you want, but np is just mostly used, so why do that different? Okay, so now we have import NumPy. I want to tell you the difference between standard Python lists and NumPy arrays. So in standard lists, they are heterogeneous. So it means that you can store different data structures in it. For example, if I create some basic list, you can store it integer. Oh, sorry. You can store it here integer, some string or some float, and there is no problem, and it's very useful, and it's quick. np dot array array. Sometimes in different situations, when you need to do some operations on your array, it's more suitable to use a NumPy array. Also, there is more difference. NumPy array are faster than a classic Python list. Like I said, in NumPy array, you can store only one data type. Also, NumPy lists are dynamic, so you can append some element in it. Whatever the NumPy array have a static length, so you can't append some element after you create it. So we have a list. I will comment it. I don't need it. Now np array. I will write 5. This call from linear algebra scalar array, because there is only one element. So I will comment it scalar array, because there is only one on AR. Then it has no dimension. There is no multiple elements, so it's a basic array with only one element. Now I will create np array. Okay, for vector array, like the IDE said me. This is one array, and from linear algebra it called the vector. It has one dimension and multiple elements. I will show you how to get dimensions from it later. Now, okay, IDE always help me. Now this is matrix from linear algebra. Like you can see, there is a free array, and if I do this, this looks better. This looks like a real matrix. Now we have 3 rows and 3 columns. this is called a matrix. Another one, np.array. Okay, I will use it. So this is a three-dimensional array because in this square brackets, this in these two, there is two elements, two lists, and in each one are two another lists with three elements. So we have in this list two another, and in this two another. So we have three-dimensional array. We can do that if we can add here square bracket and here square bracket. Now from the 2D matrix we have a 3D dimensional array. Okay, so this is basics about arrays. You can add more and more brackets and elements, and you can do more dimensional arrays, like as it on the start. It's called the basic object called engine array, and this mean n dimensional array. Sorry, n dimensional array. You can add how many dimensions you want, but most used is 3, 4, and 5 dimensions. We can also access to the elements similarly like in standard lists. So print I, yes, print A, print B, oh shit, and basically access to the second element of B. Or I can for example get the first three elements of B, like you can see here. Now I want to describe you how to get elements from the matrix or from the multidimensional array. So we get C, and in C there are one array and it has one element, and it's this array. So we want the first element, which is this array. In this array there are three another arrays. So I want, for example, this 9. So I want this third array. So 2. In this array I want the last element, which is on third position. So 2. Now run, and I really get 9. Same principle will be if we want some element of this tensor or 3D dimensional array. For example, I want this 10. So print d, and in this array there are two another arrays, two elements. This is 1 and this is 2. I want 10, so it's in the second element. So I will get 2. Now 12. So this is the principle how you get the elements from multidimensional array. So this is pretty same how you could expect. We can also imagine dimensions like an axis. So this is 3 points in 3-dimensional space, but C have only 2 axes. Okay, I don't know when I named the arrays. I maybe forgot on this. This is the tensor array, and tensor array is n-dimensional array. So the 2D array have 2 dimensions or 2 axes, and after this this is all tensors, 3-dimensional, 4-dimensional, just n-dimensional arrays called tensors. And with tensors you can see them in deep learning or machine learning. So I hope In the future, I will create some video on machine learning because I do this in my part-time job. So I want to show you how to get the dimension. So a dot ndim, this function or this method will show you the dimension of the array. I will print it. Print, and like you can see, it's 0 because it's a scalar array. There is no dimension, no axis. It is only single element. Okay, I will do print b, print c, print d, and like you can expect one dimension because it's a vector. It has one axis. Second is matrix, or the C is matrix, so it has 2D, it's a 2D array. And the third is 3D, it's a tensor 3D array. So like I said before, if I add brackets here and now I will print it, you can see 3. So we made a from 2D matrix, we made a 3D array. If I add oh, if I add one more, now we have 4-dimensional array. So this is how you can simply make from the basic vector or from basic scalar multi-dimensional array. Now I also want to show you the shapes. This show you shape of the array. So a shape. This is method, and also I want to print it. Now this was not. Here is nothing because there is. This has no dimension. There is nothing, so there is no shape. We will show in the next examples. I hope you will get it. Now here is 5 because there is one dimension, one array, and the 5 is because there is 5 elements. But there is only one number because one dimension, one array. Here you can see in this array is one, this array, so that's one. It's one element and it's array. In this array, in this that I just showed you, there is this. So another one element. So another one. And in this, there is 3 elements, 3 arrays. So there will be 3. And in each of these elements, there are 3 other elements. So this is 3. And as you have maybe already noticed, if you will count this, you will get the dimension. So there is nothing, so 0 dimension. There is one number, one array, one dimension. There, in this shape has 4 elements, 4 numbers, so dimension number 4. And similar like here. Okay, so this will be, I think this will be all for this video. thank you very much for watching, and if you have some advice, comments, or anything else you want to tell me, please write it to the comment section. I will be very happy. Of course, I will be also happy for if you smash that like button, or if you subscribe me. I will be very happy. It's my beginning, and I hope this channel will grow, and I will grow with him, and also you guys will grow with me. I plan to make many more videos, also from other teams like graphics, or show my work, or any other. We will see what will happen, and I hope you enjoy it, and at least someone else will enjoy it with me. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see in that other video. Bye.